Jai Bhim everyone. This is Komali Ambedkar. Friends, right now I came on live for respond on the one heinous and horrific and outrage murder was registered from the Kamareddy Malkazgiri, Medchal Malkazgiri city suburb area. There from the one person, his name is the Mahendra Reddy. The victim name was Swati. They, they, the wife and husband. You know, on the Saturday, the 4:30 p.m. The time on the Swati and Mahendra between one quarrel was rose, and that quarrel came to that exhalated, and that time the Mahendra he couldn't control his emotion. That time he the kill her, his wife, with the chalk, and he chopped the body parts, and after then he disposing the all parts. That then after he the body parts dismembered and chopped and dismembered. Then after he disposing the all body parts, head and the arms and legs and trunk. The trunk only he packed and in the plastic cover, and he left inside the home. The out of the head and arms and legs he packed into the plastic cover, and he brought the body parts to the Musi river. After then he fallen into the river water. Then after he given the complaint, he called to his sister. Your sister-in-law missing. She not appearing, like that. He called to her sister-in-law. Her sister came, and she even she got the some suspicion on the her brother. Then after she given the complaint, and she informed to polices. The police officials came on live, and they started the investigation. You know, the DCP Malkazgiri DCP PV Padmaja, she took the case, and she registered the case, and the before the Mahendra he hadn't to confess, and he hadn't to give the he only did like that. Then after investigation, after he confessed, and he only did like that, given the report. And what is the the reason behind the murder, that yet to be ascertained, why he did like that. The police also, they hadn't to take the any reason from the Mahendra Reddy, who was the accused person. And who was the accused person, he left the trunk. The police officials, they collected the trunk, and they sent the that for that forensic test, for they sent to the lab for confirm that one Swati body either another, like that. One I am saying heartfully, this one of the really heart broken incident. You know why I am saying she was a 5th month pregnant. How he did, how he took that extreme step. Really, I cannot express, I cannot digest about the incident. Really I am sad. Everyone, nowadays this one became the one passion. the murders and kill. The government also one of the reason to such like incident and murders and kill. Anyone have any problem, the wife and husband or family members should be resort to the elders, should be resort to the police station, should be resort to the court. We have the all resource, we have the all direction for the solve the problem, settle the problem. But why the such like people taking the extreme step, and why they murdering and why they kill the innocent people? Really I am very sad about this incident. He had any problem, he had to resort the community elders, and who are the neighbors, who are the elders, who are the family members, their parents, your parents should be resort and should be settle the matter. Won't do such type of murders. Really I am saying, why such like people they not know about the what the aftermath, what the after hazards, what the after situation. Anyone do such like murders, kill, everyone they can live and they can face the problem. That is why no one take the such type of extreme step, and no one do such like incident. Really I am saying, and I am requesting to everyone, everyone should be know about the what is the situation, what is the problem, how to we settle, how to we set right the problem. That's why you have any problem, you cannot you couldn't exist with the husband or wife, you have to take the divorce, we have to divorce, you have to take the divorce, you have to separate, and you have to start the new life. Why you are spoiling your life, and why you are taking the such type of steps? Really I am very sad. They were fell in the love, and 1 year before, and after then if they got the marriage, they hailed from the Kamareddy district, and they settled there, where they the Medchal Malkazgiri city suburb area. They settled, and he doing the, who is the accused person, he doing the driving work, and she also doing the she also did the work call center. When the Mahendra Reddy he given the problem, then after she give up her job also. She give up her job, and she was stayed in the home. What is the reason behind the murder? Really that yet to be ascertained. The police officials, and who is the DCP, the PV Padmaja, the Malkazgiri DCP should be first of all take the reason, first of all take the stringent action, and should be give the stringent action to who was the accused person, and first of all take the reason why he did, what is the reason behind the murder, should be first of all give the report about the murder. This is my message, friends. No one want to, and everyone who are the civic person and civic body should be give the awareness program to your village, your mandal, your district, your constituency. Thank you. Jai Bhim.